You're invited to the FPA of Greater Memphis Visions and Planning Conference on April 27, 2016. You will hear from speakers from across the country, including keynote presentations from Jeff Bush, a veteran in the financial industry and an integral part of the Washington Update, as well as financial services pioneer Mitch Anthony, author of The New Retire Mentality and Story Selling for Financial Advisors. Attending the VIP conference will give you 7 hours of CE credit and will be a fantastic opportunity to network with other individuals in the industry. Enjoy breakfast, lunch, and coffee breaks between sessions as you meet key sponsors and vendors. Join us on April 27th at the FedEx Institute of Technology on the University of Memphis campus. To register and learn more about this year's VIP conference, please visit www.fpagreatermemphis.com. See you there.